What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a quick install on our D-rings on a Tacoma. Let's make it happen.
Nice.
Very nice.
All right, guys, as you can see, this is going to be a very easy install. Comes with these two rubber parts, so just follow along. All right, guys, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and put this right here. Okay, you got this little rubber here. My little son here is actually recording for me. Thank you. Let's pop that bad boy right up in there. Okay. And then all you got to do is pop this on the other side. Okay, and then put that right through there. Perfect, and then just screw it right through.
I'm already shaking.
You're shaking?
Yeah, my hands are shaking.
Boom, boom, boom. Easy, just like that, guys. Woo! Look how.
Papi, and then you gotta drill this.
My son said we gotta drill it. Guys, look how great that makes it look. Let's get the other one on. Whoo! Boy. I tell you what, they make it pop. Oh yeah. That is it, guys. Stay tuned for the light bar and the winch coming up.